steel rope processing machine. For cutting anti-twist braided steel wire rope and ordinary steel wire rope up to 32毫米, crimping aluminum alloy steel wire rope connector up to 32毫米. Connect the power plug and lock it. Connect the handle plug and lock it. After the power is on, turn on the air switch on the control panel. According to parameter list, preset the system pressure. Short press the 加 button, the pressure will increase. EMPA, long press the 加 button, the pressure will always increase. Switch to the cutting working mode. Cutting steel rope. Switch to the crimping working mode. Insert the steel rope to be crimped. Insert the steel rope to be crimped in place, and then rotate the upper die holder 90 degrees and lock it. Crimping demonstration. Crimping effect display.